Roll smooth with a bite. 30 hertz straight up.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, and if you are new, then welcome. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, as you guys can tell by this title, I am doing a Curology unboxing video, and also how to use Curology. So this is the pack that it comes in. I'm going to go ahead and get straight to the point, but let me scoot up so y'all can see me. This is the pack that it comes in, which I love this pack. It's just a brown box that says Curology. And this is the back. It has my address, so I have to cover that up, but this is the box. And I actually already opened this so I can tear the thing out the pack and show you guys, so I won't have to go through all of that. So this box has already been opened just so I can get it out the actual pack, because there's another pack that comes in here. So this is the box. So when you open the box, this is how it looks. Can you guys see it? This is how the box looks when you open it. It just has all this stuff in here. So I'm going to go through the stuff and show you guys what's all in here. Now the yellow, this is mine, so I'm just going to throw that out. I have that in there. But this is the box that it comes in, and it has, I'm going to go in how the step is supposed to be. And I'm going to also use this to take my makeup off, because they also gave me makeup remover. So I want to see how good that works with this makeup that's on my face now. So the first thing that they have, well, we're going to start off with the paper. This is the paper, the instructions. It don't actually tell you how long to do anything, or, you know, when to do it. It just tell you the order to do it in. It does tell you when, actually, morning and night. So, but this just tell you what order. It don't say like for 3 minutes, for 4 minutes, for 5. It just say like the washing process. And I understand why, because I'll tell you guys in a second. But this is the first one, which is the cleanser. So you put this on first to get all the stuff off your face, like the makeup. So this is the cleanser. The makeup remover first to get the makeup off of my face. So I'm going to use the makeup remover first, and this is the makeup remover. Let me see if you, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the makeup remover in small packs, because you know this is just a small version until, you know, if it works out, you can keep getting it. And the next one, which is the actual, you know, let me see, what is it called? The custom formula. This is the custom formula, you guys. This is Curology. It comes in the white bottle, and it says Curology on the front. And it also tells you, it has my name on here too, so it has your name on there. And then it also tells you exactly what you need. I want you guys to see. So it tells you the percentage and all that, and it just looks, it's just a smaller bottle. You just squeeze it out and put it on your face. And after that item, you're supposed to use the moisturizer, I guess, to stop your skin from getting like very dry. So you use this mix, and it's in the same bottle as the cleanser. And it also comes with 2 more items, which are, one is the Curology lip balm, and this is the lip balm. And let me see what flavor. I got this in passion fruit. I really wanted to get the mint flavor, but I didn't know they were saying mint lip balm. I thought they were saying the smell of the Curology would be mint. So that's why I got something that smells good. But it's actually just a lip balm that smells. The actual Curology doesn't have a smell at all. It's not a bad smell. If it is a smell, it's not a bad one. So, but this is the lip balm. And I'm going to show you guys how this looks. I'm opening it up right now. Oh, I'll be opening them outside, and I'll be finna break it. This is how the lip balm looks, you guys. It is so cute. I love this lip balm. Is that turned the right way? Yeah. So it says passion fruit. Passion fruit. And this is how you open it. You just, I want you guys to actually see it. Let me come up a little closer. Okay. My light just real bright. So all you do is pull this thing right here. If you guys can see, you pull that down, and it just opens and pop up like this. I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to rub that on my face, but and you have to close it back for it to close. So this is the lip balm, and it also comes with emergency spot patches. So I guess like if you have bumps on your face or something, you just put the patches on so it can hurry up and go ahead and get it away. So this is the patch. It just comes in here. So I'm not sure if it's like a lot of them. but I do see that it say wait to 6 to 24 hours, then peel it off. So I guess it's supposed to stay on your face like probably like half a day maybe to actually work, and then you can take it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the process of trying to wipe this off with the first thing, the makeup remover. So I'm gonna go ahead and move you guys over to my vanity with me so you guys can see that, and then we're gonna do the other process. Okay guys, I am back from washing my face during the night routine, but this is the end of the video. But I did try to put some of this lip balm on. When I used it yesterday, when I used this yesterday, it did last for a while, but the first time that I used it, it's kind of like Carmex to me. It's not as strong as Carmex, but it's kind of like Carmex. Like, it doesn't last long. You have to keep putting it on because it just don't last. It lasts sometimes and sometimes it don't. But I do love it though because it makes your lips soft. So when it doesn't last, your lips are not like super dry. It's just nothing on your lips, but they are not dry. So that is a good thing with this. So I love this also. But this is the end of this video, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like me to do, so I can go ahead and do those videos and get it out to y'all. Like I said in my last video, I'm trying to go ahead and get these videos out the way for you guys. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. But let me show y'all my skin right now. This is how my skin looks. So I'm gonna do like an updated one to see if my skin is like getting better. So this is my skin right now. Excuse my edges, y'all. When the water hit it, it hits it for real. So this is the edges. I mean the edges. This is my face. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will update you guys on like 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know, maybe 4, because I know it said it takes up to 8 weeks to see results. So hopefully we see something in like 2 weeks, 2 to 3. 4 is pushing it. But I'll see you guys in the next video.
Roll smooth with a